Hello, it's Mike again, and we are still studying for our general exam for aviation maintenance technologies out of the 8083 study guide book. The chapter we are going into now is chapter 11, and that chapter covers hand tools and measuring devices. Let's get to the questions. Question 11.1. What type of pliers are typically used for twisting safety wire? A. Round nose pliers, B. Duckbill pliers, or C. Needle nose pliers? Correct answer is B. Duckbill pliers. Question 11.2. Which of the following is not an appropriate use of a center punch? A. Removing rivets from holes. B. Transfer dimensions from a paper template to a metal. C. Create an indentation to start a twist drill. Correct answer is A. Removing rivets from holes. 11.3. What wrench type is best used on a B nut of a fuel or hydraulic line? A. Crowfoot, B. Flare nut, or C. Hook spanner? Correct answer is B. Flare nut. Question 11.4. When choosing a hacksaw blade, which pitch of the blade's teeth is best for cutting cold rolled or structural steel? A. 14, B. 24, or C. 32? The correct answer is A. 14 pitch. Question 11.5. Which is true regarding the use of metal cutting hand snips? A. Cutting with snips hardens the material at the edge of the line. B. Cutting with snips leaves fractures along the edge of the line. Or C. Cutting with snips removes small amounts of metal at the edge of the line. Correct answer is B. Cutting with snips leaves fractures along the edge of the line. Question 11.6. Which file type will provide the smoothest cut and finest finish? Vixen file, B. Lead float file, or C. Mill file? The correct answer is A. Vixen file. Question 11.7. Which system provides the most accuracy in measuring drill bit diameter? A. The numbering system sizes 1 to 80. B. The lettering system sizes A to Z. Or C. The fraction system by 64ths of an inch. Correct answer is A. The numbering system size 1 through 80. 11.8. For drilling most materials, a bit with a lip angle of 59 degrees is most common. However, for soft materials such as plexiglass, use a bit with a lip angle of A. 20 degrees, B. 45 degrees, or C. 90 degrees. Correct answer is C. 90 degrees. 11.9. A proper procedure to produce a precision hole exactly 0.125 inch in diameter would be a drill to drill A once with a precision 4 flute 1/8 or number 49 drill bit. B. A hole at 0.120 inch and then remove the final 0.005 with a reamer. Or C. A hole at 0.115 inch and then remove the final 0.010 with a reamer. The correct answer is B. A hole at 0.120 inch, then remove the final 0.005 inch with a reamer. Question 11.10. Which tap type is used to cut full threads in a blind hole? A taper tap, B. A plug tap, or C. A bottom tap? Correct answer is C. A bottom tap. 11.11. Which tool is used to find the center of a shaft or other cylindrical work? A combination set, B. Dial indicator, or C. Micrometer caliper? Correct answer is A. Combination set. 11.12. If it is necessary to accurately measure the diameter of a hole approximately 1/4 inch in diameter, the mechanic should use a telescoping gauge to determine the size of the hole by taking a micrometer reading of the adjustable end of the telescoping gauge. B. 0 to 1 inch inside micrometer and read the measurement directly from the micrometer. C. Small hole gauge and determine the size of the hole by taking a micrometer reading of the ball end of the gauge. Correct answer is C. A small hole gauge to determine the size of the hole by taking a micrometer reading of the ball end of the gauge. 1113. What tool is generally used to set a divider to an exact dimension? A. Machinist scale, B. Surface gauge, or C. Dial indicator. Correct answer is A. Machinist scale. 1114. What precision measuring tool is used for measuring crank pin and main bearing journals for out of round wear? A. Dial indicator, B. Micrometer caliber, or C. Depth gauge. Correct answer is B. Micrometer caliber. 1115. What may be used to check the stem on a poppet type valve for stretch? A. Dial indicator, B. Micrometer, or C. Telescopic gauge. The correct answer is B. Micrometer. 1116. Identify the correct statement. A. An outside micrometer is limited to measuring diameters. B. Tools used on certified aircraft must be an approved type. Or C. Dividers do not provide a reading when used as a measuring device. Correct answer is C. Dividers do not provide a reading when used as a measuring device. 1117. Which number represents the vernier scale graduation of a micrometer? A. 0.01, B. 0.001, or C. 0.0001. Correct answer is C. 0.0001. 1118. The measurement reading on the illustrated micrometer is A. 0.2851, B. 0.2911, or C. 0.2901. The correct answer is A. 0.2851. Question 1119. What is the measurement reading on the vernier caliber scale below? A. 1.411 inch, B. 1.436 inches, or C. 1.700 inches. The correct answer is B. 1.436 inches. 1120. What does the micrometer in figure 11.2 below read? A. 0.2974, B. 0.3004, or C. 0.318 or 3108. Correct answer is B. 0.3044. 1121. The measurement reading on the micrometer in figure 11.3 is A. 0.2758, B. 0.2702, or C. 0.2792. The correct answer is C. 0.2792. 1122. Which tool can be used to measure the alignment or bend of a rotor shaft or for warp in rotating component? A. Dial indicator, B. Shaft gauge, or C. Protractor. Correct answer is A. Dial indicator.